If you're a senior executive, it matters how you present yourself online. Your LinkedIn profile is the first thing that shows up when potential clients or business partners Google you, and you can be sure that they will. According to research from LinkedIn, 50% of clients will avoid doing business with users without a strong LinkedIn profile. And another 50% say that they avoided doing business with someone based on what they found or did not find out about them online. If you don't manage your personal brand yourself, then Google will do it for you. And that means you're giving up control of one of your most valuable assets. Worse still, if you're not presenting yourself in the right way, you may not even know that you're missing out on new opportunities. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At workshop number 12 in my LinkedIn for Business series, you'll learn what personal branding is and why you need to manage yours, how Google will manage it for you if you do not take charge of it yourself, how to create a profile of yourself as an industry authority both online and offline, and how to build your own personal brand using LinkedIn. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.